Hello my lovelies and welcome back. Alrighty, spaghetti marinara. We're going to get straight into it. Okay, first of all you need 500 grams of marinara. Now marinara, I found this mix at the IGA deli section, which is where you get your cold meats and your seafood from. Obviously if you can get it fresh, awesome, but I'm still waiting for mine to thaw out. So marinara mix is basically got prawns and calamari and fish and shell stuff and bits and pieces of everything in it. Alright, so 500 grams that you need. We need a 500 gram packet of spaghetti, or obviously if you can make your own, yum. Alright, so 500 gram packet of spaghetti, and we've got to cook that first. You need a stick of celery, a carrot, an onion, brown onion. I haven't got any proper garlic, so I'm just using crushed garlic out of the jar, otherwise a clove of garlic. Now you need diced tomatoes, alright, Italian tomatoes if possible. 800 gram tin we need. We need parsley and we need cream. Now you can also use half a cup of white wine if you've got it and you like white wine. I haven't got any at the moment, but if I did have it I would definitely put it in. Our celery and our carrot we want to chop nice and fine, same with the onion. Now the tomatoes, if you've got a processor or whatever, we need them pureed. But I've got one, I just don't like using it. It scares the shit out of me. I think it's going to cut my arm off when I'm across the other side of the room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck mine in a saucepan and use a potato masher and just mash them up. And the parsley we need chopped up too, 1/4 cup. Alrighty, let's do this. I don't think people realise just how easy spaghetti marinara is to make. Alright, splash of olive oil. Nice and hot we want it to start with. Onion, your diced onion, nice and fine. Garlic. Alright, so I haven't got any cloves, so I'm just going to use, I like a lot of garlic and everything, so I'm going to use 2 heaped teaspoons of crushed garlic out of jar. Throw in your carrot, diced carrot. And your diced celery. Alright, now we want to cook this out for a few minutes until 5 minutes or so, until everything's nice and soft. Okay, now that they're nice and tender, so you can see they're translucent, the next thing we want to do is we want to add our mashed or pureed tomatoes. We want to add our parsley, oh dear. And now if you've got your white wine, you want to whack half a cup of white wine in now. Alright. Mix it all through. And then we want it to be on just on simmer. And we want to simmer it for 20 minutes. That's been simmering away for 20 minutes. Oh yeah, it smells awesome in here. Okay. 1/4 cup of cream. Oh yeah. Mix that in. Alright, once that's mixed in, you put in your half a kilo, 500 grams of marinara mix. Okay, now you only want to have it on the simmer. Stupid electrics. Alright, and for 2 minutes. You only need to cook it for 2 minutes. Now for the fun part, serving it up. Yum! Okay, so what I like to do is I like to get a bowl first, and I'll put 1 plate full of pasta in there, roughly 1 plate. Okay, and then I will get some of the marinara mix and put it in there, a couple of massive spoons. I'll move this away for a minute. Alright, and then I like to, I don't know, I hope you can see that. I like to mix it all through at first, so it all sticks to the pasta. Oh, smells amazing. Alright, then you just get it, I mean they do this twisty thing or whatever, but I can never do it. On the plate. Oh, mate. Alright. Then once I've done that, then I'll put the marinara on the top. I'll make sure you can see it. Oh, this dish is so good. If you, I don't like a lot of the stuff in it, but if you like all that sort of stuff, it is so good. Look at this. And you got to whack a heap on there. I love my garnish, so a little bit of parsley on. Wow, yum. There you have it, my friends, spaghetti marinara. Oi, thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day, and give it a crack. It will not disappoint. It's awesome. Bye.